Okay, we're looking at problem 52 on page 35. It says, think about a plan. In golf, the expected number of strokes is called par. When the number of strokes taken is more than par, your score is positive. When the number of strokes is less than par, your score is negative. The lowest score wins. The scorecard, shows par and one golfer's score for the first 4 holes played on a 9-hole golf course. The golfer's scores on the remaining 5 holes are -1, 0, -1, +1, and 0. Par for the 9 holes is 36. What is the golfer's total number of strokes for the 9 holes? Okay. It says, can we solve the problem by adding the strokes taken on each hole? And how is the sum of the golfer's score related to the total number of strokes taken? So I've written it here on my whiteboard, and here is par, the strokes, and the score. And we can look at and see a relationship. And this is the relationship that I was able to see. I see that par plus the score equals strokes. So let's test that out and see if that happens. So for the first one, par is 4, the score is 2, and my strokes is 6. Let's try the next one. So par is 4, the score is -1, and the strokes is 3. Okay, so I know the total amount of par. I know my total amount is 36. And I also know the total score. If I add everything here, that's going to give me my total score. And my total score is -2. And so 36 minus 2 is 34. So that means the total number of strokes would be 34. Let's see if we answer all the questions. Okay, it says, first of all, the question is, what is the golfer's total number of strokes for the 9 holes? The total number of strokes for the 9 holes would be 34. Next it says, can you solve the problem by adding the strokes taken on each hole? We sure can. The strokes taken on each hole. I think we need more than just the strokes taken on each hole. There was one way that I thought about it. If we just use this total here, just going from here, I know that total, if I add up all of them here, I get a total of 16. If I add up all of those there, I get a total of 15. And if I add up all of these here, I get a total of -1. So 16 plus -1 gives me 15, which is that same formula that I stated before. But adding up all the strokes so far doesn't necessarily help me get to the total number of strokes for the 9. So that doesn't help. It's one way of thinking about it, though. It says, how is the sum of the golfer's score related to the total number of strokes taken? And I think we've said that also. We said par plus the score equals the total number of strokes. So I hope this helps.